the forests where green trees grow. Nature tells a story we should know. Rivers flowing, mountains standing tall. Earth is a home that belongs to us all.
Science helps us see the way, how living things grow and change each day. From tiny insects to oceans wide, every creature has a place inside.
Save our